Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna try to finish this. Okay, all the other steps, remaining steps. Step 68. Um, use the set attribute method on the play button element to set an attribute named area label. For the value, use a ternary to set song dot title to play song dot title, or play if there's no song dot title available. Don't forget you need template interpolation here, so you need to use backticks. First, use the set attribute on play button element. So just type it out. Play button dot set attribute, and what kind of attribute we want to set. So we're gonna set area label. For the value, use a ternary. For the value, use a ternary to set song dot title. Okay. We need to use a backtick. Okay, backtick. So used song dot title. Song dot title. If there's a title, then we're gonna what is it? You set play. Okay. Hold up. Play money. Okay. Money sign. What is it? Song dot title. Okay. If not, we'll play. Okay. Okay. Play button dot set attribute song console. Your set attribute method should have song dot title. Play song dot title. Okay. What? Okay. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Ready? Doesn't make sense. Okay. Play button dot set attribute area label song. Okay. Okay, so let me redo it. So it should be right here. Be right here. No. Okay. Like this. Wow. This is what a syntax. Okay. Song. Okay, anyway. Now call the set play button accessible text function inside the play song function. Now call the set play button accessible text function inside the play song function. Now call. So we are still in place on function. So all we need to do is set play button accessible okay, like this. Okay, set play button accessible text. Yeah, whoa. Set play button accessible. Okay. 70. Using const. Okay, just using const and shuffle. So. Okay, shuffling songs in the playlist and perform necessary state management updates after the shuffling. Become a supporter. Remove distraction. Let's reload. Okay, in the earlier step you learned how to work with the sort method to sort the songs in alphabetical order. Another use case for the callback function is to randomize an array. One way to randomize an array of items would be to subtract 0.5 for math.random, which produces random values that are either positive or negative. This makes the comparison result a mix of positive and negative values, leading to a random ordering of elements. Use a sort method on the user data songs array passage callback to the method and return the result of math.random. Okay, so this one I already googled this. Okay, why this will return a what you call it, let's just paste it here. Okay, run it. Alright, so console.log names. Okay, so run it again. See, it will but you gotta you need to know like why. Okay, so so let's just console.log math.random okay, minus 0.5 or what this is. Okay, so we run it every time. So it's a the number will be the number is between minus 0.5 to 0.5. Okay, 0. This the numbers will be. Okay, so okay, that makes sense. But why? Okay, why will sort? But sort if we just give a negative number. Okay, minus 0.3. Okay, let's see. I think it will do the sorted by descending order alphabetically. Okay, so Naomi, Quincy, Jessica, Tom. Okay, so but if we let's say if we do like names dot sort, if we use like 0.1, okay, so it would be the same. Okay, I think. Okay, hold it. Console.log here. Console.log names. Okay, so let's see. It's not the same. Okay, so name.sort negative, so it will be negative. Okay, now we sort this again negative, it will be It will be like this, okay? But what if we change the sorting every time, okay? Math.random whenever we run it. So when we're dealing with the first item here, if let's say it's negative, you say this is a negative, then these two will be sorted negatively according to this, okay? But what if next time when this the second item to it will be it's a positive, then the criteria is changed, okay? Then the result will be different. That this one and this one will be different. So this how, because basically the criteria, the judging criteria of which comes first is different every time. Because math.random, what is different then? Different is one, it can be negative, 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 then positive, 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 okay? So let's say positive, this one, let's say it's positive, Tom will come first, okay? Jessica will be later, so it'll be Tom, Jessica. So that's that. Then the second time we'll compare Jessica to Quincy, right? But it's negative. Then this one will come first, okay? But let's say same condition, comparing this and this, it's a positive. Then this is this, okay? Like so every time the condition will be flipped, but we don't know which is which. So every time it's like it's random because we're using different criteria. So then the result will be different, basically. Because this is the judging criteria. We're judging by like this order. Then next time it's different. So it's different then. The order is random because we're using different criteria, basically. It's hard to. This is the best I can explain it, but I understand it better than I can explain it. Okay, so let's move on. My understanding is better than my explanation, basically. Okay. Let's sort the sort method on the user data array, pass a callback to the method, and return the result of math.random. So what we need to do then? Okay, I know. In earlier step, use the sort method on the user data songs. Okay. Sort. Okay, so we'll sort then. Math.random. Okay, yeah. Use the sort method to on the user data dot sort. Dot sort. Come on, bro. Yeah, dot sort. Alright, okay. When the shuffle button is pressed, you want to set the current song to nothing and the song current time to 0. Set user data dot current song to null and the user data dot song current time to 0. You should not use optional chaining. You should not for this step because you are explicitly setting the current song and the song current time properties to the null and the 0 respectively. When the shuffle button is pressed, you want to set. Okay, where are we at? Oh, we're still inside the shuffle. Okay, we're still inside the shuffle function. So when the shuffle button is pressed, you want to set. Okay, so we need to add event listener. When shuffle is, so you want to set the current song. What? Okay. Let's just. You just say user data dot current song to know. When the shuffle button is pressed, you want to set the current song to nothing. Okay. Shuffle button is first. So do I need to set the what you call it, the all right, so current song to nothing, and the current song current time to know what? 0. What the? You should not use option. Okay. Okay. Ew. Oh, my bad. Go back here. User data dot song current time. Alright. User data dot what? Okay, then. Alright, let's go. Let's finish this. You should also re-render the songs. Pause the currently playing song. Set the player is display and the set the play button accessible text again. Call the render songs function and the passing user data songs as an argument. Also call the pause song set player display and a set blah blah blah. Alright. You should also re-render the songs, pause the currently playing songs. Okay. Set the player display and set the player button accessible text again. Call the render songs and the passing what? User data doc songs as an argument and the call pause song. What else? And this. Oh, call it. Oh, okay. Player display and the set play button accessible text. Okay. Add a click event listener to the shuffle button element. Okay, where am I at? Oh, okay, right here. Where am I at? Whoa. Alright, let's just finish this, okay? I don't fully understand what I'm doing. Anyway, so add a click event listener shuffle dot add document. Do we need document? Let's just do it. Event listener. What else? Click. You don't need a callback inside of this particular event listener. You also don't need to call the shuffle function. Just passing its identifier. Add a click event listener to the shuffle button element for the function to run pass in the shuffle function. You don't need a callback inside this particular event listener. You also don't need to call the shuffle function. Just wow. Alright. So we gotta pass in the shuffle, okay? Okay. It's time to implement a delete functionality for the playlist. This will manage the removal of a song from the playlist, handle other related actions when a song is deleted, and create a reset playlist button. Use const and arrow syntax to create an empty delete song function and pass in ID as a parameter. Okay. It's time to implement a delete functionality for the playlist. Okay, this would manage the removal of a song from the playlist, handle other related actions when a song is deleted. Okay. Use const delete song like this arrow function. Let's just run it. Should take an ID parameter. Oh, reset button. Reset playlist. So many words. Use the filter method to remove the song object that matches the ID parameter from the user data songs array. The filter method keeps only the elements of an array that satisfy the callback function passed to it. Okay, I just think you can use a real object analogy for this programming thing. Okay, use real world analogy. Just like what does filter mean, right? Filter. Let's say this is a number array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can use it as toys. Okay. Or kids, okay? Like we have kids from 1 year old, 10 years old, 8 years old, 3 years old, 4 years old, 5 years old, okay? So we now use filter, so we only want kids that are older, 3 years older, 3 years older or more. So filter. So 1 year old, this one we don't need this one, okay? So he can go home or she can go home, okay? So now the kids will only be this, okay? We only need 10 years old, 8 years old, 3 years old. Yeah. So this is a filter. Basically means like the requirement, okay? We only want kids that are. Also, we don't need this as well. 3, okay? Okay, this is basically what filter means, okay, in real world situation. This one kind of easy to understand, but I think programming, at least learning programming, should require that real world like things that we understood already, okay. Things we understood already, whatever. Things we understand already. Okay. Use the filter method on user dot songs passing song as the parameter of the arrow function callback. And use implicit return to check if song.id is strictly not equal to id. Assign all of that to the user.data.songs. Okay, because I don't care about this. So let's filter. Okay, filter. Filter. So filter is number array dot filter. Okay. So we have ID parameter, argument. Use a filter method on user. So it says user data dot sound dot filter. Okay. Dot filter, and we need to pass in the parameter argument. Okay, so like this. Okay, so we need to pass in the okay, so let's keep going. Passing song as the parameter. Passing song as the parameter of the arrow function callback, and use implicit return to check if song is song.id is strictly not equal to. So what else? ID. But let's do it over here. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So then let's move over here. Move it over here. What the? You should send a filter method. Use user data to user data. Okay. What the? Hold up. Assign. This is a filter method used to user data.song. So when I user data.song, so user data.song. You say, what's going on here? Okay. Reset this thing. Use a filter method on this. User data dot songs dot filter. Okay. So what we filtering then? So let's use it. Okay. So the passing song as the parameter of the arrow function callback, and use implicit return to check. I use implicit return to check if song.id. Okay. Yeah, song.id to id. DD song. How do we DD song? Wow, what's going on here, bro? What's the so you should not use Well, you should assign the filter method you used on user. What the heck, bro? Well, I'm lost. I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna give it 5 minutes to to really debug this. Okay. He says filter method remove the song object that matches the ID parameter from the user data. The filter method keeps only the elements of an array that satisfy the callback function passed to it. Okay. So delete song. Yeah, delete song basically. Okay. So delete current song. Okay. So song.id, if it's not equal, then we keep. Okay. Song current song ID. Okay, that kind of makes sense. Okay. It's a reverse. What you call it? Reverse and reverse. What is it? Reverse conditioning or whatever. So if the current ID is playing, we're gonna delete it. But filter means we keep what we keeping. Okay, it's not deleting what we keeping then. So we keep everything else. That's not that's not the same ID as the current ID. Song.id means the song we playing, and ID is song.id is the we playing. ID is what we passing in. So yeah. Okay. So how, like, who passing in the ID then? Use the filter. Use the filter method on user data dot songs. Passing song as a parameter. Yeah, parameter of the arrow function callback, and use implicit return. Use implicit return. So we don't need to return anything. Dot filter. Okay. So what we need to return then? Nothing. Okay, so the key here is assign all of that to the user data.songs. Okay, so I need to assign this. Okay, assign means equals to, one equals to, equal operator. So user data, this thing, assign all of that to this user data.songs. Okay, that's that. Okay, I'm back. I can talk now. You need to add. You need to add the reset text to the reset button element as a child, and also the reset button, the playlist songs element as a child. For this, there is an append child method to use. Append child lets you add a node, the child of another element. In the example below, the text "click me" will be attached to the button. Const parent element document.create element button. Text document create text node. Append, yeah, attach the text element. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. Use option to attach. Okay, easy. Okay, reset button dot append child. Then what else? Should be reset. What the? Come on, bro. No? Okay. Another one. Reset. What? Use a pen child to attach reset text to reset button. Append child reset. Okay. Then and the reset button. Oh, okay. Playlist songs dot append child. Reset. No. You should on playlist songs. Okay. Thank you. All right. How many more? This is one. Okay, 80. Okay, a couple more. Let's finish this. Okay. Now it's time to add the reset functionality to the reset button. This will bring back the songs in the playlist when clicked. Add a click event listener to the reset button variable reset dot add event listener, passing the callback function using arrow function, and leave it empty as is. Leave it empty as is. Okay, so what is wrong here? Reset button, remove reset button. You should use the remove method. So what is it? Remove method? Remove dot. Oh, okay. Reset button dot remove. Ooh, okay. All the core functionalities are now in place. The only issue now is that the next song does not automatically play when the currently playing song ends. To fix that, you can set up an event listener which will detect when the currently playing song ends. The ended event listener is appropriate for this. It is fired when the playback of a media reaches the end. Add an event listener to the audio element which listens for the ended. Passing the callback using arrow function with empty curly braces. Okay, what are we doing here? I wanna give up, man. Honestly, like this is like BS. Okay, basically, like what am I doing? This is like boring as heck. Very boring. Cause I don't know, man. This is a free code camp. Okay, this is free, and I'm complaining. I don't know. Like I don't know. Why am I complaining? Okay. Okay. What I have learned so far is, so we create little functions, then we use them again and again, remove them. Like there's a lot of things to be considered. I mean, we need to consider a lot of things when we just doing like creating like pause button, shuffle button. We need to remove something, then we need to add something. We need to just, there's a lot of intricacies in a music player. So that's what I learned, and I learned the whole. I learned the whole, not the all the details. Okay, but maybe I do it again. The knowledge, all the intricate concept will sink in more. I understand the concept more, but it's kind of boring. So probably I wouldn't do it again until I do other tutorials, more interactive, whatever tutorials. Then I come back, I understand it more because it's more interesting, because I have more background knowledge to, but like really, I just wish this can be more interactive. There's I don't know, man. Maybe I should create more interactive tutorials based on. I mean, this is good because on like the simple one, what you call it, one. I only do one thing. This is good, better than video tutorial in that sense. But it's kind of boring. In video tutorial, I understand more in video tutorial, but the downside. I'm not going to just let me finish this. Okay, then do something else. All the core functionality are now in place. The only issue now is that the next song does not automatically play when the currently playing song ends. To fix that, you can set up an event listener which will detect when the currently playing song ends. The ended event listener is appropriate for this. It is fired when the playback of media reaches the end. Okay, signal. Okay, ended event listener. Add an event listener to the audio element. which listens for the ended event best and callback using arrow function. So audio dot add event listener so we are adding ended. This will be doing what is it? This is what we doing. Audio is not defined. Audio, okay, audio. Wow, that works. That's crazy. Okay, I have no idea. I'm already like so gone. Wow, 90. That's crazy. 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Notice that the album art in the HTML and the songs in the user data.songs array have changed. We swapped out the original songs for shorter ones that you can use to test your app in the upcoming steps. Whoa. Why? Who the heck is Raphael? Why? Next, you need to check if there's a next song to play. Retrieve the current song index by calling the get current song index function and save it in a current song index const. After that, create a next song exist constant that contains the boolean value true or false depending on if the next song exists. Okay, whatever. Audio. Are we into are we in a button? I mean, are we in a function? Audio function. Okay, whatever. So my question, oh, never mind, just finish this. Okay, too much questions. Okay. Check if there's a song next. Check if there is a next song to play. Retrieve the current song index by calling the get current song index function. Okay. Const song index equals to get current song index. Okay. Then after create the next song const next song exists contain what? Okay. I'm gonna use ternary. Okay. Ternary. So you okay. If it's true, then true. Okay. So next song. How do I yeah, how do I like this? Yeah, next song exists. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. This one. Yeah, how do we use index? Okay. I was wondering about this a couple seconds ago. Just a few seconds ago. Like next song. You should check if next song exists comparing user. Okay, dot length. Set it to a next song exists constant. Alright, what is it? Alright, so okay, so I'm gonna just type it in, user data dot songs dot length. Okay, so this is a whole array. Okay, all the array length. When we reach the end of the song array, okay, so current song index should be the same if it's the last song. Okay, and set it to a next song, last index of the song array, index, and the length. Okay, index is 0 based, so length is not 0 based. Okay, so if there's one item, the length will be 1 and minus 1. Okay, so if we want to do math between index and length, we need to, okay, so user data dot songs dot length minus 1. To this array. Current song index. Okay. Oh yeah, right. Oh, that's so convenient. See. If equals 0, okay, equals 0, then it's false. Okay, then true. I don't know. Let's see. No. Okay, current song index. If the last index of the song array bigger than wow. Okay, so this is the length. Okay, if this is let's say there's 10 songs. Okay, so 9, so this will be 9. Okay, 9 current song index. Let's say this is at the 10th song. Okay, so the index, this will be 9. Okay, so 9 minus 9 is, so this is 9 minus 9 is 0, so this is false. Okay, this whole thing is false. Then if it's false, then it's false. Next song exists? No. Okay, so that's basically what it is. Let's do it again. Okay, so let's say there's 10 songs. Okay, there are 10 songs. Now the length will be 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, so this is 9. Okay, this is 9, and we are at the 10th song. Okay, at the last song, so index will be 9. Why? Because it's 0 indexed. So the first one is 0. So the 10th one the 10th index will be 9. Okay, so 9 minus 9 is what? 0. 0 is greater than 0, so it's false. So we are at the last song. Next song exists, false. Okay, then it's false. Okay, use an if statement. Okay, this is not too bad. Okay, when I can figure out what is going on. Okay, but still I don't know, man. This is tough because it's kind of, I don't know. Use an if statement to check what. Okay, let me just finish. Okay, use an if statement to check if just do next song exists. What the heck is next song exists? Or true or false? Okay, if it's true or false, then do what? Play next song. Yeah, cool. And let's see what I play next song. Okay. Yeah, let's go. One more, two more. If there's no X, use else block to reset the current song key of user to know. Okay. User data. Yeah. Come on, bro. Zero. Wow, let's go then. With everything set in place, call the pause song. Okay. Call the pause song. Set play this. Come on, bro. This play. And set play button. Okay. Finish. Okay then. Oh, it's not working now. Okay, so I'm probably gonna try do other follow alongs, video tutorials, whatever, maybe. Yeah, I was still okay, the final thought, is this helpful? Yes. I enjoy it, not really. I think, but I will, if I do this again, but I think I should do this again, like at least 3 times to fully understand what's going on here. But very useful. Yeah, very useful. I need to do this 2 more times at least. And but it's kind of, I need to take a break from this. I'll go do other tutorials, follow along. Yeah, let's enjoy this tutorial journey. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing a backend maybe you know, I'm checking out this boot.dev thing, but it's you know, I need to pay for this. Okay, what else? Yeah, it's I just want to do something that's more interesting, and yeah, and yeah, less frustrating. But why is it frustrating then? You know. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up this video, and find something interesting to do and complete. I should just complete any tutorials, any project. Try to complete and finish, and yeah, not looking for a perfect understanding. All right, let's go again.